Well, we have a cloudy, windy day here in central North Carolina. And you're wondering, what is he doing? That light is brand new. Yes, it is. That one is brand new and it was in an accident. Look at that bumper. Jesus. Anyway, we are here to restore this one, to match it. We're gonna match this one to the other one. These headlight assemblies cost about $1,000. This is a Toyota Avalon. They have dual projector beams for the low beams. You can't even see anything in there right now. It is completely obstructed. But we'll get it looking just about brand new. Yes, we are. That's what we do. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the transformation. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how it's done. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Compared to the brand new one. Considering it was never restored and neglected and in very poor shape. That's it. Let's go home before the rain starts. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care. Be well.
Headlight Ninja.